XRP may register a 6% gain by tomorrow, Crypto Predictions indicates. To begin, here's a snapshot of the market movement. At the time of this recording, XRP shows a 0.7% increase and is trading close to $1.3223. Now, let's hear from the analyst's side. Crypto Predictions expects the price to move toward $1.399 by tomorrow, representing a gain of about 6%. Gov Capital Collector projects XRP might move toward $1.3808. That's about 4.6% up. CoinCodex highlights the possibility of testing $1.3082 on the downside, marking a loss near 0.9%. Another outlook from 30 Rates indicates XRP might push lower toward $1.2928, about 2.1% down. And lastly, CoinLore sees the price reaching $1.23 by April 4th, a 6.8% drop. This forecast offers the most lucrative outcome. 5 takes on tomorrow are in. Let's keep going. The predictions are in. Here's how each might perform. Taking into account the different outlooks, the projected price change could range between a drop of 6.8% and an increase of 6%, depending on the analyst. The final takeaway is that CoinLore expects the top return with 6.8% gain in value by April 4. That means you could earn between $9 and $68 for every $1,000 you invest. Using volatility as the basis, CoinCodex's forecast shows the strongest probability at 84.8%. Based on all 5 forecasts, I've calculated a consensus scenario. The consolidated forecast suggests XRP is near $1.3222. Okay, let's take a closer look. The consensus estimate points to growth of around 0.2%. Accordingly, your capital would also be up by about 0.2%. Putting $1,000 into this move could reflect about $2 in gain. According to the analysis, the chance of the consensus scenario playing out is around 88.8%. Let's quickly review the 3-day forecast before moving on. According to Crypto Predictions, the price path is set to rise. Also, Gov Capital Collector sees the chart tilted toward growth. CoinCodex sees XRP losing ground. The view from 30 Rates is that price action will be muted. A bearish stance is reflected in CoinLore's forecast. All views combined suggest XRP will show stability over the next 3 days. So, 60% of the outlooks point to XRP weakening during this horizon. 5 forecasts were shared 2 days ago. The question is, which ones matched reality? At the end of the day, the price was $1.3198. 4 of 5 forecasts lined up with the real market direction. The highest accuracy outlook was delivered by Gov Capital Collector. Now it's time to break it into parts. The daily candle included 4 forecasts. For ROI, multiple analysts stayed in the green, with CoinDataFlow leading at 3.9%. On screen now is the summary table. It brings together all the latest forecast results. In the summary, CoinCodex shows accuracy 81.5% forecast probability and 0.8% ROI. See if you can tell who predicted it most precisely. Let's shift to the comparison of tomorrow's projected gains calculated from consensus data. XRP isn't on top this time as PEEP leads with 2,108.7%. What you see here is a sample of 5 coins, and the wider comparison of profitability among many cryptocurrencies will also follow soon on my website. If this comparison saved you some research time, give it a like and stay tuned by subscribing. Catch you tomorrow.